Good morning to all of you. Welcome back again in online class. This is your computer class, chapter 2, part 1. In chapter 1, I hope you all have no any doubt in chapter 1. If you have any type of doubt in chapter 1, then ask your doubt in comment section. Solve all these questions which given on page number 8 and page number 10. If any type of doubt in this question, then ask your doubt without any hesitation. Okay. So now we start chapter 2. The name of the chapter is GUI operating system. You all know about, I hope you all know about the GUI stands for. If you don't know about GUI, then I tell you that GUI stands from graphical user interface, operating system, desktop management. Okay, this is the name of the chapter 2. So what are the learning outcomes of this chapter? That means the learning outcomes are given on page 14. The meaning of learning outcomes is that what you taught in this chapter, what you gain in this chapter, this is the brief about the content. So after complete the intro part, we discuss about the learning outcomes of that chapter. Got it? So you start the chapter, go through book. Microsoft, originally called Microsoft, was founded by, Microsoft is the name of the company, was founded by Bill Gates. This is the name of the person who was founded that, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Date also given 4th of April 1975. On that day it's founded. The headquarter of Microsoft, that means the headquarter where the Microsoft is placed, is Redmond, Washington. This is the place where Microsoft headquarter. Windows is the most popular operating system. You all aware about that. In your computer, in laptop, the operating system are used is Windows operating system. Some users are used other operating system, but most probably 80% users are used Windows operating system. Got it? The first version of operating system, Windows 1.0, was launched in the year 1985. This is the version of Windows, that means 1.0 version of Windows operating system is 1.0, which was launched in 1985. Right now, the window currently working on the window, the user of the window is 10. Windows 10, we use that window. That means currently we are working on Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows operating system. This is the latest version of Windows. That means 1.0 was launched in 1985 and right now 2021 Windows 10 is used. Got it? Now the two boxes, the first one is learning outcomes and the second one is setup. You all do the setup box, that means you select the icon and name it, that means one number, folder icon with letter A, and after completed setup box, you ask in the comment section, sir, this answer is correct or not. Got it? Second, file icon with letter B, that means which file icon is located, which tell that with the letter B. Third, wallpaper with letter C. Fourth, start button with letter D. And the fifth, icon on the desktop with letter E, which is stored under deleted file and folder. So solve this setup box when you see that part. Now come to the learning outcomes. The first one is about explain the function of an operating system. That means how operating system work. You will know in this chapter. Second, The features of Windows operating system. OS stand for operating system. What are the features, what are the characteristics of operating system we see in this chapter. Third point, identify components of Windows operating system. That means desktop, icon, taskbar and wallpaper. These are the different things that you understand in this chapter. And the fourth one is about identify the ways to customize the window environment. That means how you work on the window you should gain in this chapter. Got it? Now come to the first point of the chapter, operating system. You see that page number 15, the first point, operating system, in bracket write OS. So you write OS with capital, not a small. Then understand from you write operating system. If you write a small OS, then you not understand that you write operating system. Because all the simplest, all the brief word you written with the help of capital letter. So OS is the first software that get installed on the computer. This is the first software, that operating system that get installed on the computer. It serves as an interface between the user and hardware. That means you connected with that computer. If suppose a operating system is not in your computer, is not in your laptop, then you cannot use your computer and laptop. So this is called the interface between the users and the system and also the hardware. That is by which you part we connected through it. That means the medium that which you connected, you talking, you thinking about that part from one to another. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which user can run the program. I give you very small example on that. If you use any type of your mobile phone, like if you use, I will give you one example of that. If you use a Redmi phone, okay, when you power off the phone, when you switch on that mobile, the first thing you see that it's written here MIUI. So what is that? So this is the name of the operating system on which the mobile work. So like that, in laptop, in computer, the Windows are the operating system on which you run any type of application, any type of program. Got it? If the software in mobile MIUI is not working, you cannot work on your mobile. You cannot do any type of work like play games. You not do any type of thing. So now we can give instruction and get our work done on the computer because of the operating system. If the operating system is not available on your computer, on your laptop, you cannot do our proper work. Got it? So a computer cannot run without an operating system. So this is the main thing about that operating system. In the next part, we discuss about the function of an operating system. Got it? I hope you all understand about that. When you see the video, you read that book, you read that point, and also give me the answer of the setup box which given on page number 14, and clear your doubt in the comment section. So thank you. We will meet in the next part. Thank you.